Good morning, friends. Today, now next lectures, chemical properties also, but that include the different types of the points are discussed about you. Now, previous lectures that discuss about the 2 points of the chemical properties. That is, first is actions of air and second is nitric acid. First is actions of air and second is nitric acids in group 15 elements. You know about that group 15 elements that include the 5 types of the elements, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So now previous lecture that discuss about you two chemical properties, that is actions of air and second is HNO3. 2 points are discussed about you. First is action of air and second is HNO3, that is nitric acids. So these are the 2 points discussed about. Now next today that the third point, actions of hot concentrated sulfuric acid to the group 15 elements except nitrogens. So nitrogens are not react with sulfuric acid. Due to these properties, nitrogens are the high electronegativity, small in size, absence of d orbital. That's why these are the depending upon these points. And that nitrogens exist as a diatomic molecules. So that conditions nitrogens are not react with sulfuric acid. So third point, that is actions of hot concentrated sulfuric acids react with group 15 elements, that is phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So phosphorus, you know about that. Phosphorus as a state exists as a tetraatomic molecule. Phosphorus exists as a tetraatomic molecules react with sulfuric acid. So 10 molecules are requirement of the sulfuric acid to balance the chemical equation. You know about that 11th class, that detailed study about the balance the chemical equation. So that depending upon this concept, some molecules requirement of the 10 molecules, some molecules requirement of the 6 molecules. So that balancing the chemicals reactions, so requirement of the 10 molecules of sulfuric acid. So first reactions, phosphorus react with sulfuric acid. Phosphorus react with sulfuric acid in the hot conditions. To give S3PO4. So these are the formations of the compounds is S3PO4 and 10 molecules of SO2 and 4 molecules of H2O. So these are the first reaction. So these reactions taking place, that is P4, you know about that, exist as a phosphorus exists as a tetraatomic molecules react with 10 molecules of sulfuric acid to in the presence of hot conditions to convert it into phosphonic acids, means that for S3PO4 plus 10 SO2 and 4 H2O molecules are formed. So these are the formations of the S3PO4. So in this concept, these are the first reactions, and that you know about that phosphorus are the oxidation state is -3, also +3 or +5. So phosphorus exists as a 3 types of the oxidation state, that is -3, +3 and +5. So in these conditions, oxidation state, these are the 3 types of the oxidation state show in the phosphorus, -3, +3 and +5. So in these conditions, different types of the compound is formed. For example, -3, that is PS3 phosphine. So phosphorus are the -3 oxidation state. Another is +3, that is PCl3 phosphorus trihalide. One lone pair of electrons. In this condition, phosphorus is +3 oxidation state is shown, and that chlorine is -3. That 3 chlorine, that is -3. Also, phosphorus are the pentavalent PCl5. So in this condition, phosphorus are the +5 and that chlorine 5. That means 5 PS3, that phosphorus are the -3 oxidation state, PCl3 phosphorus are the +3 oxidation state, and PCl5 that phosphorus are the +5 oxidation state. So phosphorus are the oxidation state -3, sometimes show in the -3 oxidation state, sometimes show in the +3 oxidation state, sometimes in the +5 oxidation state. So this depending upon the oxidation state, that phosphorus are the different types of the compounds or formations. Means phosphorus react with air, phosphorus react with nitric acid, phosphorus react with sulfuric acid to formations of these types of the compound S3PO4. So phosphorus, that is the oxidation state P4 is 0. P4 is 0. That converted into phosphorus are the +5 oxidation state. Phosphorus are the +5 oxidation state. You know about that, discuss about the chemical bonding, oxidations and reductions reaction, that detailed study. So these phosphorus are the get 0 to +5 conversions. That means phosphorus are the different types of the compound. So S3PO3, these are the first structure, that is S3PO4. S3PO4. So phosphorus, you know about that, -3, +3 and +5. So phosphorus in the presence of 4 oxygens, 3 hydrogens and 1 phosphorus elements. So these are the structures of S3PO4. Means tetraatomic react with sulfuric acid to formations of the S3PO4, 10SO2 and 4H2O. So phosphorus are the central metal atom, that formations of bonding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means in the S3PO3, phosphorus are the +5 oxidation state. Means formations of the 5 types of the bond. That's why some compound formations of the +5, some compound formations of the +3, some compound formations of the -3. So chemical properties, phosphorus react with sulfuric acid to give compound. Means tetraatomic molecules in phosphorus react with sulfuric acid to give the compound. So these are the chemical properties of the first element of second element of the group, 15 elements. Now second point, that is second property is arsenic, As4. You know about that, the state of group 15 element, that different types of the state. Nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule, phosphorus exists as a tetraatomic molecule, arsenic as a tetraatomic molecule. That react with arsenic react with sulfuric acid. Arsenic react with sulfuric acid in the conditions of hot condition to formations of the S3ASO4 are 4 molecules. So arsenic also reactivity in the sulfuric acid to give new compounds, that is S3AS4, 10 molecules of SO2 and 4 molecules of 4H2O. So high requirement of the 5 formations of the 4S3AS4, 10 SO2, 4H2. That chemical, balance the chemical reactions, that detailed study and discuss about the chemical bonding chapters, that is oxidation, reduction, balance the chemical reactions. So now remember that high requirement of the 10 molecules of sulfuric acid, and 5 formations of the 4S3SO4 plus 10 SO2 plus 4H2O. So these are the previous lectures in chemical bonding, that is detailed study or discuss about the chemical balance, the chemical equations. So now in these lectures only discuss about or react with oxidation state or bondings and formations of the new compounds. So arsenic react with 10H2SO4 in the conditions is hot conditions to formations of the S3ASO4. So AS are the central metal atom, that you know about that. Group 15 elements. Group 15 elements are oxidation state -3, +3 and +5. So these are the different types of the oxidation state, that formations of the different types of the compound. So these are the second types of the reaction, that is S3AS4, S3ASO4, S3ASO4. So central metal of arsenic in the presence of 4 oxygens, 3 hydrogens, 2 formations of the structures. So arsenic formations of the 5 types of the bond, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So arsenic in the group 15 element, that is +5 oxidation state. So these are the also reactivity in the sulfuric acid. Arsenic react with sulfuric acid. Now another is third reactions. Antimony react with sulfuric acid. Antimony react with sulfuric acid to antimony sulfate, Sb2SO4 molecules is formed, and Sb2SO4 compound is formed. Removal of 3SO2 and 6H2O. So antimony react with 6H2SO4 in the presence of hot conditions to convert it into Sb2SO4 plus 3O2 and 6H2O water molecules is formed. So Sb2SO4 another third types of the compounds is formed, and that's why these compounds Sb2SO4, you know about that SO4, sulfur is a +6 oxidation state. Sulfur is +6 oxidation state. That means sulfur are the 4 oxidation that. So these are the SO4 structures. SO, O minus and O minus. So sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So +6 oxidation state, and oxygens are 2 oxygens are -1. So -2 charges are present in 1 SO4. 2, 3 SO4 are present, means -6. So Sb2 are the 1 Sb2 are +3 oxidation state in the Sb2SO4 thrice molecules. That means +6 oxidation state. So Sb2SO4 thrice means -6 or +6. These compounds are the stable. So +6 are the 2 molecules. That means +6 divided by 2 to form +3 oxidation state. So in this condition, Sb2 in this condition, Sb2 in the SO4 in these compounds, Sb2 are the 1 Sb2 are the +3 oxidation state. So these are the third types of the reaction in group 15 elements. So antimony also react with sulfuric acid to formations of Sb2SO4 plus 3O2 and 6H2O. Now fourth types of the reaction, that is bismuth. Bismuth react with 6H2SO4. Bismuth react with sulfuric acid to give compounds in the hot conditions. Bi2SO4 thrice plus 3O2 plus 6H2O. So these compounds are formations of the bismuth react with sulfuric acid. So Bi2SO4 thrice. So SO4 thrice are -6 and Bi2 plus 6. So these are the balance the reaction, balance the ions. So that formations of the compounds Bi2SO4 thrice plus 3O2 plus 6H2 water molecules is formed. So these are the another types of the reactions. Now in these conditions, actions of hot concentrated H2SO4 on group 15 element, that is 4 types of the reaction, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Nitrogens are not react with sulfuric acid, they are depending upon the properties. So another 4 types of the reactions, 4 types of the elements, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth react with sulfuric acid in the conditions of the hot conditions to formations of the different types of the compound. So these are the another chemical properties, that is reactivity with sulfuric acid. So another point that is also chemical property is actions of metal on group 15 elements. Actions of metals on group 15 elements. First, lithium. So these are the metals in the presence of S block elements. That lithium atomic number is 3 and that oxidation state is +1. So lithiums are the metal. These are the electropositive metals in the presence of periodic table left hand side, that is S block elements, and that S block elements are present in the group first, and that lithiums are the atomic number is 3, oxidation state is +1. So lithiums react with N2. You know what, that N2 exists as a diatomic molecules, and that lithiums react with N2 to formations of the Li3N. Lithium nitride compound is formed. Li3N. Lithium nitride compound is formed. Means 2 molecules of lithium nitride compound is formed. Requirement of the 6 lithium. You know what, that lithiums are the monopositive ions. Nitrogens exist as N2, but nitrogens are the formations of the bonding. Oxidation state generally is -3. So lithium Li3N, N2. So N2 in the 1 nitrogens are the -3 oxidation state, 2 nitrogens -3, so -6 oxidation state is formed. So requirement of the 6 plus, that is 6 lithiums are requirement. 6 lithiums react with N2 to formations of the Li3N, that is name of this lithium nitride. Lithium nitride. So 6 lithium requirement, 6 lithium positive monopositive ions, depending upon the oxidation state, react with N2. So N2 are the exist as a diatomic molecule, bonding capacity is 3. So 2 molecules, that is -6 plus 6 to formations of Li3N, lithium nitride. So these are the first reactions, that is actions of metal on group 15 elements. Now third, magnesium, second, magnesium Mg 3Mg plus N2, 3Mg plus N2, Mg3N2. You know about that magnesium. The properties of magnesiums are the S block elements. Magnesiums are the S block elements. Group second, oxidation state is +2. So these are the metal. These are the divalent. Atomic number is 12. So these are the magnesium properties. Magnesium present in the S block element in group second. Oxidation state is +2. These are the metal, and magnesiums are the divalent, lithium are the monovalent, and that atomic number is 12. So magnesiums are the divalent compound is formed. So magnesiums react with N2. So N2, you know about that N2 are +3, -3 oxidation states show in some time. So 2N2 means -6. -6 requirement of the +6. So magnesiums are the 3 magnesiums means 3 into 2 +6. So these are the +6 oxidation state, and N2 are the -6 oxidation state. So combined to form, these are the neutral compound. Mg3N2. Magnesium nitride is formed. So magnesiums react with N2 to formations of the Mg3N2. Magnesium nitride compound is formed. So these are the another types of the chemical properties in group 15 elements. Now next point, magnesiums react with P4. Magnesiums react with P4. 6 Mg plus P4 molecules, tetraatomic molecules also required. Mg react with P4. You know about that phosphorus are the trivalent, this is +3 oxidation state. In the presence of 4 phosphorus, that is plus 3, react with 4 to formations of the plus 12 phosphorus are the plus 3 oxidation state into 4 to form plus 12 oxidation state in the P4 molecules. Means for capacities of the formations of the bonding. In generally these are the zero, neutral. So these are the also neutral. But so these are the neutral in the free form. So Mg plus 4 to converted into 3Mg, 2Mg3P2. 2Mg3P2 molecules is formed. 6Mg means plus 12, and that magnesium is the more electropositive, that by the minus 3 oxidation state ratio, that is minus 12. So these are the balance in these compounds and formations of magnesium phosphide. Formations of magnesium phosphide. So another types. So also these are the different next types of the reaction, that is calcium. Calciums, you know about that. Calciums are the divalent atomic number is 20. Calcium atomic number is 20. So these are the S block elements. These are the metal. Oxidation state is plus 2. These are the divalent. And present in the group second. So calcium react with P4 to formations of the Ca3P2. Calcium phosphide. Calcium phosphide is formed. So calcium, that is 6 calcium means plus 12 oxidation state, react with P4, that is minus 12. So these are the combined to formations of the Ca3P2. Calcium phosphide is formed. Another is sodiums. You know about that. Sodiums in the group first element, group first in the S block elements. Sodiums react with arsenic to formations of the sodium arsenide. The formations of sodium arsenide. Also zinc are the atomic number is 30. Zincs are the divalent, react with antimony to formations of the zinc antimodide. Zn3Sb2. Also magnesiums are the divalent, react with bismuth to formations of the Mg3B2, that is magnesium bismuthide. Magnesium bismuthide. So magnesiums are the divalent, react with bismuth to formations of the magnesium bismuthide. So these are the chemical properties of the group 15 element. That is two properties discussed about you. That is concentrated H2SO4 on group 15 elements, and actions of metals on group 50 element, that is used by the lithiums, magnesium, calcium, sodium, zinc. Magnesiums react with group 15 element, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony. And that concentrated sulfuric acids react with 4 types of the element in group 15 element: phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So these are the different types of the compound is formed in the reactivity of group 15 element, that is sulfuric acids and metals. So write down the short notes. Thank you.